Potterville Market in the East Coast. We'll come back here to get some fresh vegetables, maybe some cabbage, definitely some carrots, chilies. But right now, we're going for the We're gonna go for the fresh chicken. All right. Hello. How are you? Good. How are you?
Yes. What do you want?
I want fresh chicken.
How much?
Oh. Can I have a half chicken? Yeah. Fresh chicken?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, okay.
We can check like some use for the soup and some marinade and to use, for example, tomorrow to bake.
You want a whole chicken then? Yeah. We'll take a, but big piece.
Big piece.
Yeah. Whole chicken. You want whole chicken? You sure? Whole chicken.
Full chicken.
Yeah, whole chicken. Yeah. So we're gonna ask for it extra fresh. He has some pre-cut over here already, but Christina says no. I want to see. What? She's scared. Oh my God. Oh no, what's going on? Okay. Woo! Oh no, what's happening? That sound is crazy. Christina left. Where's Christina? She left. She didn't want to see it. So I've been eating chicken my whole life, and in the U.S., you go to the supermarket, you buy it frozen, or you buy it in the section. Everything's plucked, everything's done. What I like about Sri Lanka is you can go to these places like N Chicken Shop, and you can get literally like the freshest chicken you've ever seen in your life. And you know what? I'm sure some of you guys are watching thinking like, this is insane. How can you do this? But I think we need to know where our food comes from, whether it's a carrot that's getting pulled out of the ground, or a chicken that gets killed. It's our food. It's natural. So we gotta do it. You don't want to see it, huh?
Let's go to the I found it.
Oh, for the Korean cow. So just next door, you can get all the vegetables we need. So we're gonna get some potatoes, some carrots, some onions, some garlic as well. Our chicken guy's doing. Ooh. Oh my gosh, so fresh. Oh my God, can you believe that was alive just like 1 minute ago?
Before watching the video.
Well, it's gonna be called fresh chicken. Hope people know what that means. So fast. All right, 1.6 kilo. 780. Thank you very much. Christina paid the man for the fresh chicken. Look how authentic the sound is, guys. I wonder how many Sri Lankans watching this get the chicken this way. Let me know. Alright, I know a lot of Sri Lankans watch these videos. Do you guys get your chicken like this, or do you go to like Hartgirls, the Food City supermarket, and buy your chicken frozen? Is this like normal to you guys? Or is this like Johnny's crazier than us? Because we were just at Food City, so I could have bought it there. But this tastes way better. It's way fresher, it's cheaper, it's more natural. I know where it comes from. So, yeah, hard part of reality, but thank you, boss, for the fresh chicken. Next time.
Okay. I have a hotel also, I have 3 hotels. Board Rage.
Hey, where?
Board Rage.
Okay.
Residue, Echo Blue.
Okay. Oh, nice.
My angle also.
Okay.
Yes, I'll work there. Not, I know the industry in this.
Uh-huh.
I'm already here. This is my business also.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, I'll take it.
That's good business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
like
you
this
have
one.
this? The first time when you came, I don't remember.
Just I'll make it.
Oh, yeah, you didn't have this
Just
before.
1.5 months. Just.
Wow.
Just I will come bring new fridge or some everything. Just I will make me different.
Yeah.
Otherwise good. This is also good. Now not problem.
Uh-huh.
Some days, some just also fresh chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good because before there's so many flies.
Yeah.
So many flies. Oh my God, so many flies. But now it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for the chicken.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make chicken soup.
You know?
Yeah, I'll make chicken soup.
Oh my God, very tasty. Yeah.
Very tasty.
You make it.
He will do it.
Very good chef.
Yeah.
You like again?
I know. Why isn't me cooking it? I'll teach her. I'll teach her how to make it. She'll make it next time. Alright, so I made some chicken soup today. Second time making it. I had to borrow some potatoes from this guy. So that's why he gets a bowl.